Right now, Blue Cross and Blue Shield companies are supporting the heroic efforts of our healthcare partners on the front line of this unprecedented fight, helping doctors and hospitals get the resources they need, ensuring patients don't have to worry about costs, and making access to prescription drugs easier. Caring when it counts the most, for the health of America.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Justine Handelman, Senior Vice President of the Office of Policy and Representation at the Blue Cross Blue Shield Association. We believe advancing innovative, patient-centered, community-based primary care is critical to keeping people well and improving the health of all Americans, which is why BCBSA is proud to be presenting the Primary Care Community Leadership and Research Award. Each year, this award is presented to an outstanding individual who has demonstrated remarkable leadership or produced research to ensure that primary care is foundational to community or state health reform efforts. It is my honor to announce that Tom Leyden, Director of Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan's Value Partnership Program, is the winner of this year's Primary Care Community Leadership and Research Award. Through the Value Partnership Program, Tom has done tremendous work to support primary care providers in enhancing their practices by achieving the highest value and quality standards for their patients. Now, we will hear more about Tom's amazing achievements from several of his colleagues.
I've worked with Tom Leyden for over a decade now. Tom is a well-recognized leader among the medical community because of the significant accomplishments that he's made through implementing patient-centered medical home and team-based care across the state.
When I first started working at Blue Cross and I learned more about the programs that Value Partnership supports in the various projects, I was so impressed by all the work that Tom had put into this portfolio of programs and projects over the years that I felt he really should be nominated for this award.
He has empowered physicians and nurses to develop and implement that best practice. And he understands that everybody is working together to try to achieve the same thing, better health.
Tom knows how to continuously build relationships, primarily by listening to understand.
He has worked so effectively to listen to people, follow up, resource them, handle things, give feedback, that practices across the state now have a different way of approaching their patients.
I feel just so incredibly fortunate to have partnered and worked with him throughout the last few years.
He earned this recognition by uniting and helping to transform Michigan's healthcare community.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Tom. You are very deserving of this prestigious award.
Thank you for those kind and inspiring remarks. So now, please join me in congratulating Tom Leyden on this incredible achievement.
Thank you. It is so very meaningful to receive the Community Leadership Award for the work that we've undertaken with the Michigan physician community over the past 13 years. I have always been proud of the work that we've been able to accomplish collaboratively with the Michigan physician community through the Value Partnerships programs. I'd like to also thank my wife Amy and our children Maddie, Molly, and Jack, who have always supported my passion for transforming the healthcare system. When I was a camp counselor, I realized that, I had this opportunity to fully engage people and really provide them with something that they just didn't have and give them, just even if it was for a week, I could give them an opportunity to have a different life. And it was incredible. Working in healthcare, you recognize that there are people who have challenges far worse than you could possibly ever imagine. And working in healthcare is just one of the most humbling experiences. There are people with needs that are not being met, and the patient-centered medical home and primary care is our best opportunity to help meet people where they're at. Primary care physicians are incredible partners. They just need support. And this has been a great platform for me over the last 13 years to work with physicians. And I have just been, just completely blown away by the outcomes. So it meets every last need I've ever had. And I've certainly never done this for the awards, but this has been just phenomenal. It's all about letting someone else know that you're there for them and that you care for them. So it's just about connecting as humans.